Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the eagle owl in Heartopia. You need to be level 10 of the bird watching hobby, and it is located at the deer tower, and it only spawns when it's either raining or when there is a rainbow. Again, you can find this owl all day, maybe, preferably at night. And if you can see, it is located on top of the tallest trees. It's similar to the bird that I scanned a few days ago. I don't remember what it was, but it will be on top of the trees, as you can see. You can find the eagle owl. It is a pretty shy bird, but I was lucky enough to catch it a few days ago. So yeah, that is where the eagle owl is. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!